Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to promote your It's a shop on Facebook? In this quick video, I will show you how to connect your It's a shop to your Facebook page in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, log into your It's a Seller account and navigate to uh, Shop settings from the top right corner. In the shop settings, click on security and scroll down and select connect your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook account and grant it the necessary permissions. Make sure you choose the Facebook page you want to link to your It's a shop. Once connected, you can start sharing your Etsy listings directly to your Facebook page. Just select a product, customize your post, and click share. And that's it. Your Etsy shop is now connected to Facebook, making it easy to share and promote your products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.